Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm giving you an honest review of the Roamless Mobility eSIM, a service that promises seamless global connectivity without the hassle of physical SIM cards. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First thing first, setup, downloading and activating the eSIM was super simple. I just scanned the QR code they sent, followed a few on-screen instructions, and bam! My eSIM was active in less than 10 minutes. Definitely a win for convenience. Now, let's talk about performance. I tested the roamless eSIM while traveling. The signal was strong in urban areas and even distant in more remote spots. Streaming navigation and uploading photos were smooth, but I did notice some speed drops during peak times in certain locations. Pricing is where things get interesting. Roamless offers flexible data plans depending on your region and usage needs. Compared to traditional roaming fees, it's a game changer, but it's not the cheapest option out there. For heavy data users, it might add up quickly. One big highlight: no more SIM card swapping or worrying about losing tiny cards mid travel. But here's the catch: it only works on eSIM compatible devices, so if your phone doesn't support eSIM, this service isn't for you. So is Roamless Mobility worth it? For frequent travelers who want a hassle-free way to stay connected, absolutely. But if you're a casual traveler on a tight budget, you might find better deals elsewhere. Either way, it's a solid option that delivers on its promise of convenience. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.